This is not just a church. It's a climb. And not everyone makes it to the top. High on the mountain of Amecameca, Mexico, the Church of the Sacromonte rises above the valley. Stone, silence, and altitude. Every step upward feels heavier and quieter. For centuries, this place has drawn pilgrims. Not for comfort, but for devotion. You don't come here by accident. You come with intention, with prayers, or with questions. From this height, the world feels distant, and the silence feels alive. The Church of the Sacromonte, Amecameca, Mexico.